Hello YouTube-universe, Alex here, Science from Somebody. In the last video we looked at Choanazoa and Fungus. And since we're not fungus, we have to continue on with the not fungus line, which would be Phylozoas. So let's get started. Phylosteria consists of two currently surviving species, Menasteria and Capsospora, of which the genome sequence is being obtained. The full genome, however, has been received from Capsospora, and what it shows is that these two are key to understanding early unicellular animal representatives. These species have an amoeboid body and phylopodia, which seems to be involved in substrate adhesion and capture of prey. In other words, these species share very few commonalities of fungus and some animal-like traits. These early organisms found in the fossil record clearly reference early life cooperation of cells. The phylopodia used in various primitive levels of specialization for different tasks. Studying currently living Choanazoa, we can recognize sexual reproduction and this colony behavior. Even though it is not multicellular life just yet, this is cellular cooperation, and that increases survivability, and sexual reproduction increases mutation chance and greater variation. We are still 300 million years away from the Cambrian explosion. And we already have multicellular algae, slimes, corals, colony-like, almost multicellular animals. We have thick cell walls that reference early shell-like traits. We have mobility. We have predator-prey interaction. All of this before the Cambrian explosion, where everybody thinks all life came from. But as you can see, that doesn't seem to be true. We already are seeing life. So the Earth had started becoming oxygenated about 2 billion years ago, and this allowed aerobic life to expand far beyond its very limited area. Pretty much the ability to take over the entire ocean. Anaerobic life was pushed into the more extreme zones, and they had to stay there. So this gave aerobic life that niche that they could take advantage of. And while this was happening, the very first ice age had hit the Earth. And with it, land masses were starting to form. And that gave microbial mats the ability to start forming on land. So now we're starting to see life expand out of the waters. Even though it's not animal life, the first plants were starting to be able to take over these land masses. Hope you guys have been enjoying this. Thanks for watching. And still, you're just not a fungus. Have a fantastic day.